Welcome to Photoshop Quick and Easy Tips to level up your design skills. Photoshop Tutorial, Beginner Series, Episode 6, Adding Text with the Type tool. Welcome back. If you want to add words to your design, headlines, labels, or social media text, the Type tool is what you need. Press T on your keyboard or click the Type tool on the left toolbar. Click anywhere on your canvas and start typing. You've just created a text layer. To edit the text, highlight it, and use the top bar to change the font, size, alignment, and color. Need more advanced controls? Open the Character panel, Window Character. Here you can adjust spacing, line height, and more. Pro tip: to scale text proportionally, select the Move tool, then press Ctrl or Command plus T for free transform. Hold Shift while dragging a corner to resize while keeping proportions. And there you go. You're ready to make your message stand out. Next up, let's play with brushes. Disclaimer: I'm not a Photoshop expert or certified instructor. All tutorials in this channel are based on my personal experience, learning, and practice. I share these tips to help fellow beginners like me. Please feel free to explore more and use what works best for you. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more quick Photoshop tips.